Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna finally put these side spats on the GTI. Now, I know I'm gonna get a lot of flack for my idea that is coming to my head. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pretty much put adhesive on here and hope for the best. If they fly off, they won't go far. They won't hit anybody. It's very low to the ground where, you know, the worst they'll do is bounce them, but they won't go far. So this is kind of just trial and error. I have a lot of adhesive tape too, so the idea is more is better. So we're going to see how well these stick. A lot of you guys are probably hoping I was going to use school glue for the last mod, which as you can see is off the car because I just wasn't into it. I took it off. It just wasn't my thing. We're gonna put these on, and of course we're wearing our as we always do. But yeah, so we'll start with this side. I've cleaned off this side. That's why we're gonna start there first. So like so, kind of in the shape of a, yeah. So I may just do one and then probably put maybe another strip right next to it just to kind of, the more is better, like I said before. The reason why I'm not going with the screws is because I've already investigated it. I've already looked into doing it. And the plastic under here is super thick and it's preventing me from really doing that. So I don't want to do it. It's doable. People do it all the time. But apparently for me, it's just very hard. Peeling off the backing to this tape is pretty aggressive. All right, most important part is getting this on right the first time, so. So we've mounted this one. It's pretty on there, I'd say. This, I think I should do something about this. It's just, this feels a little wobbly to me, but this side is super on there. I know it has a better bond to the adhesive. Right here, I can see a gap, and it's just the way it's designed. It's a flat piece, and this is more, it's flat here, and then it's just a different level here. So it's a little bit, I guess, higher up, and that's what where the gap comes from. But for the most part, I'll see what I can do to kind of keep it solid here. But as you can see, it pretty much lines up real nicely in the back. It does poke a little bit, but that can be helpful when it comes to better mounting it and kind of keeping it on there. But for the most part, I'm pretty happy with the look. It makes it look a little bit wider in the back. Kind of gives it more of that butt that it needs. But yeah. We mounted the other one on and it really looks good, guys. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Yeah, it really gives the back a real nice aggressive look. Things up. Actually, it's actually pretty nicely lined up. I'm very impressed with this. This was a good call by me. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed the look of this. I apologize for all of you guys who expected me to keep the red tape on. It's gone. And but the diffuser is finished now. Hopefully it stays on. I recommend not doing this at home, and I recommend doing the screw method because adhesive, you guys know how that works. However, in my mind, if it can hold on to this, it sure as hell can hold on to that, which makes no sense. But in my mind it does, and that's all that matters. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.